Good morning, Bush Elementary School. This is Mrs. Benson with your daily announcements. Please stand as we say the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now we're going to say the Bush School Pledge. As a twister, I am respectful, I am responsible, I am peaceful. Thank you. Today is Thursday, January 21st. For lunch today, we have a chicken and cheese wrap, grape tomatoes, pears, and milk. For breakfast tomorrow, you'll be receiving Cocoa Puff cereal, a banana, orange juice, and milk. We have some birthdays to celebrate. We have one birthday to celebrate today. Happy birthday to Felicity Anderson. If you see Felicity today, make sure you let her know that you wish her a very happy birthday. We have a couple of shout outs to celebrate today. This shout out goes to Liliana Sandberg from Mrs. Goldstein. Liliana was seen helping another student unzip her jacket. The other student seemed to be having trouble, and Lily stepped up to help her out. Excellent job being peaceful. This shout out goes to Carter Wooford in second grade in Mrs. Smith's room from Mrs. Benson. Mrs. Benson had seen Carter being peaceful and picked up trash outside and came back into the building to throw it away after school. This shout out goes to a few students from Mrs. Pavlak. Mrs. Pavlak has students to give a shout out to from recess. J.C. Rogers, Jesse Buckner, Aliciana Rodriguez, Savannah Rodriguez, and Ryan Millweed. They showed responsibility by doing an activity the whole time that they were in gym class. Way to go, students. This shout out goes to Kendall Marion. Mrs. Geisler gave a shout out to Kendall for finishing his NWEA test, and instead of he actually finished the NWEA test instead of participating in free time. He completed all of his homework. Mrs. Geisler thought that this was a great use of his time. Way to go, Kendall. The following students are getting a shout out for having excellent attendance. Braden Thayer, Ryan Vogan, Isabella Waterman, Madeline Wilkins, and that's all I have for the rest of the students who have excellent attendance for today. Because today is Thursday, we have a Throwback Thursday staff member to try to see if we can guess. This image is of one of our teachers in the building. This is a kindergarten photo of this teacher. This teacher loves dogs, family, coffee, and gardening. Can you guess who this staff member is? We will release the name tomorrow on the announcements. Stay tuned for a Mindful Minute from Mrs. Peterson. Have an awesome day and continue to be good twisters by being respectful, responsible, and peaceful.
Hi, Bush School friends. Thanks for joining Mrs. Peterson with another Mindful Minute. Today's Mindful Minute is a little different than our past ones. It's a quick tip, I guess, on how you can be well, take care of your body, and take care of your mind. And today's Mindful Minute is all about drinking water, right? How weird. You need to hydrate your body. Mrs. Peterson's got her really big water bottle so she can stay hydrated throughout the day and keep your body and your mind ready to learn. So, fun facts about water. Did you know that over half of the human body is made up of water? And 3/4 of your brain is made up of water. So we know that plants and other animals, they all need water to survive. In fact, us as humans, we can only survive a few days without it. So the question is why? Why do our bodies need water? Well, our blood, which contains a lot of water, carries oxygen, right? We talk about those deep breaths and getting oxygen in our lungs, and that oxygen is carried through your body through cells. And so without oxygen, those tiny cells would die and your body would stop working. Right? So I better take a big drink of water right now. Oh, So, and you also need water to digest your food. And when you sweat, like in gym class with Mr. Grand, we sweat a lot with all that fun that we're having and running around. Well, our sweat is made up of water. So the more we sweat, the more water we need to drink so we can replace that what is lost. Another fun fact, water conducts electricity. Where am I going with this? Well, our thoughts and our ideas are electrical currents which require water. So, in other words, you need water to learn and think clearly. Listen, how do you know when your body needs water? This is a big word. It's called dehydration. That means your body needs water. And when you're dehydrated, you can be grumpy, you can be tired, you may even have a headache or hard time concentrating, and of course, well, you're thirsty. So sometimes when we're grumpy or tired, our body might just be telling us to drink more water. Who knew that a cure like water can fix our mood even? So let's, from now on, try to drink more water throughout the day. And guess what? That's Mrs. Peterson's quick mindful minute. Drink more water. Bye, friends.